Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up the barcode scanner on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use Scan and Go. Maybe you want to pay for groceries and scan them on your app and then go ahead and head out. How do you actually go ahead and pull up the barcode scanner on the Walmart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on the barcode scanner on the top right hand corner. So as you can see here, we have the scanner which is typed on. Additionally, if you want to go ahead and type your barcode in, you could also click on type your barcode and enter the barcode number here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pull up the barcode scanner on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.